so much for joining my channel, and today I will show you how to remove the background in less than 2 minutes. Oh yes, it's going to be removed the background completely in less than 2 minutes. Let me show you how to do it. I just have a Google Chrome, so I just click on the Google Chrome and go on your website. It's called remove.bg/upload. When you click on this one, and you will see this website, it says upload an image to remove the background. So click on upload image, and I just saved one of my image on my desktop. Here we go, and just click on this one, and it's going to start very quickly to removing the background, and you will be amazed. Here we go, and the background is completely changed, and you will see this shaded ground, so you can use this background anywhere. And this was the original picture actually, so look at the difference now. This is the original picture. It removes it very quickly, and it looks very good. After that, you can still edit if you don't like it or somewhere here and there, but it's pretty good to me, looks like. And you can just click on the download, and here we go. You just click on the download, and it saves in your download files, and when you open it, here we go. Yeah, thank you so much again for joining. Please subscribe, and I just started this channel, and whatever the knowledge I have, I will share with you guys. God bless you. Bye bye.